I love blackberries, and as a kid we would spend so many warm spring days picking them and then bringing them home for Mom to make something. There were those days that we'd actually eat more than we would bring home. We have a vine in our backyard right now, and it's being very generous, and I thought I would make something with it that was quick and easy as opposed to just going ahead and freezing them. This is a Blackberry Loaf Cake. Stick around, I'll show you how it's made. I'm pretty sure blackberries can grow just about anywhere given enough space. There are some varieties that are thornless that make it a little bit easier to pick and also enjoy. This recipe can be easily adapted to include any of your favorite berries like blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, or a combination of all of them for what could be a stunning slice of cake. Before we get started, I'd really appreciate it if you would click on the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Click on the little bell to get a notification when I post a new video. If you're using frozen berries, keep them in the freezer until you're ready to make the cake. They do not need to be thawed. In fact, it'll work to your advantage if they are frozen, as they'll hold together better while mixing. You'll want to have all of your other ingredients at room temperature. Measure out all of your ingredients as this comes together pretty quickly. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Spray and flour a baking pan. Sift the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Next, add in the cornmeal. Add in the sugar. Add in the blackberries and carefully toss to coat with the flour mixture. In a large bowl, beat together the eggs. Add in the yogurt. Melted butter. Vanilla. And lemon zest. Stirring until blended and smooth. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Folding gently, just until you no longer see any of the dry flour. Spoon the mixture into the baking pan and smooth over the top. Bake for about 50 minutes, checking with a toothpick for doneness. It should come out clean of batter. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then remove from the pan and allow it to cool completely on a cooling rack. I've had this with ice cream as a dessert, or toast it up with a little butter for breakfast. If you want, you can actually make muffins with this. You just have to adjust your baking time to about 30 minutes. This will keep nicely on the counter for about a day in a sealed container, or in a sealed container in the fridge for about a couple of weeks. It also freezes really well. Just take it out of the freezer, allow it to thaw in the fridge overnight before slicing. As I said at the beginning, this recipe can be easily adapted to include any of your favorite fruit. If you make this, please leave me a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Thanks again for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Now, my turn. It's so good, delicious. I love the tartness that comes through. Thanks again for watching.